Friends, you might have heard about one word, guttation. In botany, especially plant physiology, we have one word, guttation. So today I am going to explain you in live condition what guttation is actually. And in my garden I am searching one plant where guttation I can show you in clear condition under natural conditions. So whenever see here in this plant I saw guttation. What is guttation? You can see at the end margin of the leaf some water droplets are oozing out. Some water droplets are oozing out from the leaf margin. That is called guttation. So in morning if you will see some plants at the margin only, some water droplets are oozing out. Even in your natural conditions also, in your garden also, nearby garden you might have observed that. That is actually not anything else, it's guttation only. You can see here. Even one more plant, let me try. Yeah, you can see here water droplets. These droplets are the margin or periphery. Tiny drops are there. This process is called as guttation, and it used to happen during night time, and morning you can observe these water droplets under the periphery or margin of the leaves. It occurs in monocots as well as in dicots, and it is what the reason behind it is when the night is cool, humid, and there is no wind velocity that supports this type of accumulation of water droplets at the margin of the leaves, guttation. So why it is happening? Because at the end of the margin of leaves, the vascular elements are ending there, and the vascular elements basically the elements which we are using or which plants are using for the transport of water from the roots to the leaves, from bottom to top. These are ending here. It's just like nerve endings. So xylem elements used to end here, which transport extra water from the roots, and that should evaporate. During daytime it used to evaporate because sunlight and high temperature, so we cannot observe this, right? But roots used to continuously absorb water with the minerals from the soil, and these during night time when humidity is more, low temperature, no wind velocity, that time this water cannot evaporate. So that is why in early morning we can observe guttation on the surface of the leaf, right? So that is called actually guttation, right? A very common phenomena in plant physiology. You might have read in your plant physiology book, and these are just vascular bundle, especially xylem elements ending, which ooze water droplets, and climatic, especially weather conditions during night time supports this. Monocot, dicot, all the plants are having this phenomena. If any doubt is there, you can write in the comment. I will try to answer these. Thank you.